Looking for the best 3D printers? In this video we look at some of the top 3 3D printers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Makerbot Replicator Plus 3D Printer. Pros: large print area. Utilizes PLA plastic. Manual and Wi-Fi controls. Built-in camera monitors progress. Sturdy build plate. InkUD's high-end extruder. Easy to set up. Cons: this 3D printer can be fairly noisy while it's printing. Bottom line: this mid-range 3D printer's wireless connectivity, uncomplicated setup process, and user-friendly software make it a top choice for beginners. At number 2. FlashForge 3D Printer Creator Pro. Pros: class-leading layer height. Stable, versatile, and reliable. Excellent website and customer support. Price falls in the mid-range. Cons: can be noisy, and setup can be slightly difficult. Bottom line: a popular model in terms of quality, stability, and output. A smart choice if you want a solid 3D printer at a mid-range price. At number 1. Dremel DigiLab 3D45 3D Printer. Pros: prints with 4 types of filaments. Heated and auto leveling build plate. Large touch display. Dependable extruder. Enclosed, spacious build area. Durable. Cons: does not work well with unofficial Dremel filaments. Bottom line: this critically acclaimed 3D printer is a reliable workhorse, making it a superb option for anyone who needs to print a variety of large and detailed models. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.